Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this old money style haircut. And then we move into a color change. So she already has a bob here. Oh, okay, we have some bright yellow, almost like a neon yellow. Oh, it's like a fun pop of color. And I love the fact that it matches the nails. So cute and clever. Very nice. I have to wonder too if that color glows in the dark. Definitely something bold and unique. Okay, next up we have an interesting technique. Burning the ends of the hair. I have never seen this before. Is this a way to get rid of like dead ends? I don't know. Comment below if you guys know why the stylist is doing this, because I'm actually like really curious as to why this is being done. It looks like the hair is just being like dyed? Is that a technique for dyeing the hair? Wow. Oh my goodness, this is unreal. I have to wonder though, what would be the longevity of doing that to the hair? Like, would that damage the ends? I mean, it's an interesting way to color the hair, but... Okay, we need the full spin with this one. Okay, so it didn't color the hair. What was the purpose of doing that? That was really weird. Okay, so next we move into this really interesting mullet style. So as you guys know, mullets are definitely trending right now. This one has a very rocker chic edge to it. A really cool copper color, which of course I love. Oh, we have a pixie cut hair transformation. So the hair was placed in ponytails and cut off. Wow, that is a lot of hair. She's definitely donating all that hair, FYI. Oh, very cute. And then we have somebody rocking out a pixie. I love the baby bangs and the moody lip. The makeup just overall is very pretty. And of course, so is that pixie. And then here we have someone with this gorgeous copper colored hair, about mid-length. Oh, and she switches it up with a bob. Oh, I like her top. Very cute. So she gets a nice tousled bob here. She did switch the color as well. And then we move into a pixie. Oh, beautiful pixie bob cut. Now this particular cut offers up a lot of hair that you can still play around with. Oh, this is cute. So much body and movement. Very nice. And the bangs have been nicely feathered. Ooh, check out her pixie. Wow. I love the color, the texture. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, okay. So that... Okay, so that was some hair that she cut. So she ends up cutting the hair here. It looks like the hair is about shoulder length and she goes much shorter. Bringing out her natural curls, doing a cute little curly pixie style. Oh, very cute. Look how much volume she has too. Birthday hair. So moving on, looks like we have a layered haircut style. She's also rocking out that copper color trend. And then it looks like we have a cut refresh here. Now hair is on the thinner side. The stylist really added some texture with this cut too. Just to kind of give it that lift and that volume. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, show it some love and I will see you in the next one.